Here's a pair of the Samsung Galaxy Buds FE earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Windows computer, PC, or laptop via Bluetooth. So first thing is, let's go to our Bluetooth settings on our Windows computer. There's a search bar down here. We can just go down here and just type in Bluetooth. And then this popped up here, Bluetooth and other device settings in system settings. So that's what we want. So let's select that right there. And then from here, you want to make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. And then I'm going to tap this, add Bluetooth other device. Let me tap on that. And then I'm going to tap on the first one here, Bluetooth, okay? Let's select that. And now see this bar here moving? It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. So let's put these in a pairing mode, okay? So currently the buds are in the case. And let me open these up. We'll know that these are actually in pairing mode if it just shows up here, okay? So it's still searching. I'm not finding the Galaxy Buds FE. And the reason why it's not showing up because I'm actually connected to a different device. So I'm actually connected to my Samsung Galaxy phone here. All right. So in order for me to put this in pairing mode, what I can do is I can go to my Samsung Galaxy S25 here. I can go to Bluetooth settings and I can either turn off Bluetooth, I can disconnect, or I can unpair it. If I do any of those three from the phone that I'm connected to, this will automatically go into pairing mode. Now, another way I can go into pairing mode without having to find my other phone or not, I can put these automatic in pairing mode by closing the lid, wait for the light here to turn off. It's off. Now I'm going to open it up. And now I'm going to press and hold both touch sensors on top. Ready? Go. Press and hold. Now keep holding until the light, that green light changes to green, red, green, red, green, red. Okay, green, red, green, red. Now it's in pairing mode. Now we know that these are in pairing mode. Now let's go back over here. And it's still, that little spinny thing is still spinning there. So let's see if it shows up here. What do you know? Galaxy Buds FE. Let's tap on that right there. It says connecting. It says your device is ready to go, and it says we're connected right now. Okay, so pretty simple. Now, if you have any kind of issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these as well. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.